This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Alejandra Nicholson. Golf and tennis membership included like new. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath home built in 2018. The one-story home has a very likable and modern open floor plan. Impressive kitchen, 42 cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances and a breakfast room. Tile floors throughout the high-traffic areas, 3-car garage, lanai and no front neighbors. Some of the upgrades include screened and extended lanai, ceiling fans added to family room, master bedroom and lanai. HOA fee includes lawn care, unlimited golf, driving range, putting green, $75 food credit each month at Private Plaza Club, security system monitoring, internet, cable, all common amenities, tiki bar grill, splash pad, 3 pool areas, 2 hot tubs, lazy river, water slide, fitness center, yoga room, sauna, movie theater, game room, business center, meeting room, 7 tennis courts, 3 pickleball courts, 2 bocce ball courts, soccer field, playground, volleyball, regular trash pickup, guard gated, all within your front door. Come and enjoy all that Champions Gate has to provide. Located just minutes from all major attractions, theme parks, Disney World, shopping, dining and major roadways. Don't miss this opportunity. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details.